Cloud computing and its application. In today's digital landscape, cloud computing has emerged as a transformative technology reshaping how businesses operate and innovate. Imagine a world where your data is not confined to a physical server, but rather accessible from anywhere at any time. This paradigm shift allows for unparalleled flexibility and scalability, enabling organizations to adapt swiftly to changing demands and seize new opportunities in real time. At the core of cloud computing are its diverse applications, ranging from data storage to advanced analytics and machine learning. Picture a startup harnessing the cloud to process vast amounts of data, uncovering valuable insights that drive strategic decisions. This capability not only enhances productivity but also fosters innovation by enabling teams to collaborate seamlessly across geographies. Furthermore, businesses can leverage cloud-based services to deploy applications quickly, reducing time to market and optimizing overall operational efficiency. Security remains a paramount concern in the cloud. Envision a scenario where sensitive data is encrypted and access controls are meticulously managed, providing a robust shield against cyber threats. Leading cloud service providers invest heavily in security measures, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. Regular audits and monitoring help maintain a secure environment, giving businesses the confidence to store and process critical information in the cloud without compromising privacy or integrity. Moreover, the economic advantages of cloud computing are compelling. Think about the cost savings related to eliminating the need for heavy upfront infrastructure investments. Instead, organizations can utilize a pay-as-you-go model, only paying for the resources they consume. This financial flexibility empowers startups and small businesses to invest more in innovation and growth rather than maintenance costs. Additionally, the cloud's inherent scalability allows companies to seamlessly upgrade their resources as their needs evolve, making it a future-proof solution. As we progress into an increasingly interconnected world, the adoption of cloud computing will only accelerate. Visualize industries integrating artificial intelligence and IoT capabilities through cloud platforms, creating smart ecosystems that drive efficiency and innovation. From healthcare to finance, every sector stands to benefit from the versatile applications of cloud technology. Ultimately, cloud computing paves the way for a more agile, responsive, and collaborative future, enabling businesses to thrive in the dynamic digital age.